Morning guys, Lewis Biddle from Hair For All. Just wanted to sort of touch up and carry on from my vlogs in my hair system, and just wanted to talk about what life's like having a hair system. A question which often comes up to me is, why have a hair system when you could just have a transplant? The reason for that is a massive reason: thickness. If you have your hair transplant, yeah, great. You're going to have a transplant and naturally it's your own hair which is going to be growing on your head. But you're never guaranteed thick hair, for one. I've often in the past looked at having a transplant because, you think to yourself, is that what everyone's doing? I see it in the media, I see it in the press, and I think that's what everyone's doing. You see all the celebrities doing it, and then you think, well, actually, I hear about what they don't actually say in the media is the fact that some people have 2 to 3 transplants, which naturally is sort of an average from around, can be anything from 3,000 up to 6,000. Now, if you're sort of multiplying that 3 times, you're looking at a hefty charge just to have hair. And I think when you've got a hair system which is available, which one is going to give you thickness of hair and it's affordable, why would you ever look to have a transplant? Because you don't need to. And I think that's sort of the main thing to be conscious of when you're actually looking into sort of hair solutions. A lot of people have sort of gone from hair fibres, they've gone from a shaved head, they've gone to transplants, and I know many people who have even gone from having a transplant to then actually even looking into having a hair system because they're saying they're not getting the thickness and the fullness of the hair. And I think, it is never a guaranteed process, and all that money could go to a massive loss. Whereas if you pay for a hair system, you've got a guaranteed 9 months of full hair on your head, and you're basically going to feel satisfied and guaranteed that you can have fuller, thicker hair, which is at an affordable cost. I certainly would recommend that you look into this in terms of booking in for a consultation, asking questions with a Hair For All specialist, and they'll be able to help. Any questions, get in touch. Thanks, bye.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.